In this video, we're taking a look at the Volume Surprise Indicator by LuxAlgo. This tool compares the actual trading volume to the expected volume at any given time, helping you instantly spot unusual activity that could signal big moves in the market. By the end of this video, you'll learn 3 simple and effective setups you can use with this indicator, including how to confirm real breakouts, catch volume-based reversals, and spot smart money entries after liquidity sweeps. So make sure to stay tuned till the end. First, open TradingView and click on the Indicators tab at the top of your chart. Now, type Volume Surprise into the search box. Select the indicator by LuxAlgo, and it will instantly load onto your chart. The great thing about this indicator is that it works smoothly across Forex, indices, and stocks, where trading sessions follow clear daily cycles. It can also be used on crypto, but since crypto trades 24/7, its volume patterns are less consistent, so the forecasted volume curve may not always be as accurate. Alright, once you add the Volume Surprise Indicator to your chart, here's what you'll notice right away. At the bottom of your screen, you'll see a volume panel with 2 key visuals, a colored histogram, and a smooth expected volume line running across it. The green and red bars represent the difference between the actual volume and the expected volume. Green bars mean the current volume is higher than normal, showing strong market activity or sudden trader participation. Red bars mean the volume is lower than expected, indicating a quiet or less active market phase. The orange or blue line you'll see running through the middle is the expected volume curve. It tells you what the usual trading activity looks like for that specific time based on past data. Sometimes, you'll also notice a dotted line extending forward. That's the forecast, showing the periods when volume is expected to rise or fall in the near future. So, whenever you see a big green spike above the expected line, that's a volume surprise, a clear sign that something unusual is happening behind price action, like a breakout, news reaction, or institutional entry. So, let's go over the Volume Surprise Indicator settings step by step. Start with length. This controls how much past data the indicator uses to calculate what's considered normal volume. If you set it too low, like 10, the indicator reacts too fast and gives too many false volume spikes. If you set it too high, like 200, it reacts too slowly and may miss recent market changes. So it's best to leave it at the default value of 50, which gives a balanced and reliable reading for most time frames. Next, we have Smooth. This setting controls how much the expected volume line is averaged out to make it less jumpy. If you set it too low, like 2, the line will react very quickly and might look a bit noisy. If you set it too high, like 20, the line becomes overly flat and may hide smaller but important changes in volume. So it's best to keep it at the default value of 1, which keeps the expected volume line smooth enough while still highly responsive to real market activity. Once you're done, click OK, and your Volume Surprise Indicator will be fully optimized and ready to spot unusual trading activity with precision. Let's go through 3 simple and effective trading setups you can use with the Volume Surprise Indicator by LuxAlgo. Setup 1. Breakout Confirmation Trade. The first setup focuses on confirming real breakouts using the Volume Surprise Indicator. For a buy trade, start by identifying a market that's consolidating below a clear resistance zone or forming a tight range. Most traders enter breakouts blindly, but with this tool, you can filter out fake ones. When price finally breaks above the resistance zone, look down at the Volume Surprise panel. If you notice a strong green spike, meaning the actual volume is significantly higher than the expected volume, that's a clear sign that traders are actively participating in the breakout. It confirms that the move isn't just a false push, it's backed by real market activity. Enter your buy position at the close of that breakout candle. Place your stop loss just below the breakout zone or the low of the breakout candle itself. For your take profit, target a 1-to-2 risk-to-reward ratio or aim for the next liquidity zone above the breakout. As long as the green bars remain active for a few candles after entry, it means buyers are still in control. You'll often see price continue to climb smoothly until your target is hit. For a sell trade, simply flip the logic. Identify a support zone or the lower boundary of a consolidation range. When price breaks below that level, check the volume surprise indicator. If a green spike appears on that breakout candle, it confirms strong selling pressure and validates the bearish move. Enter your sell at the candle close. Place your stop just above the breakout candle. And again, aim for a 1 to 2 risk to reward target. This setup is most effective during high volume sessions like the London or New York Open when large participants enter the market. Setup 2. Volume Spike Reversal Trade. The second setup helps you catch reversals when the market shows exhaustion after a high volume move. For a sell setup, look for an unusually large green spike at the top of a bullish swing or resistance area. This spike means huge buying activity has just taken place, often when retail traders are entering late. If price fails to continue rising and instead prints a long wick or a small indecisive candle, that's your signal that the move might be ending. Wait for a bearish candle close that confirms the reversal. Enter your sell at that candle's close. Set your stop loss above the high of the spike candle and aim for a 1 to 2 or 1 to 3 risk to reward target. As price reverses, you'll notice volume dropping off again, showing that momentum has shifted. For a buy setup, the same logic applies, but in reverse. Look for a massive green spike at the bottom of a downtrend or near a support level. If price forms a rejection wick or a small bullish candle after that spike, it signals that sellers are exhausted and strong buying is stepping in. Wait for the next bullish candle to close above the rejection area, then enter your buy trade. Place your stop below the low of the spike candle and target the next liquidity zone above. This setup works especially well around news releases or session overlaps, when institutions enter and exit aggressively, leaving visible spikes in volume. Setup 3. Liquidity Sweep with Volume Confirmation. For a buy setup, wait for price to sweep below a previous low and show a strong green volume spike. Then, look for it to close back above the low. Enter your buy on the confirmation candle. Place your stop loss below the sweep's wick and target the previous swing high or a 1 to 2 reward. This setup gives you extremely precise entries. For a sell setup, it's the opposite. When price sweeps above a previous high and you see a strong volume spike, it means liquidity has been taken from the top. Enter your sell trade as price close back below the liquidity area. Set your stop just above the sweep candle's wick and target the next liquidity zone below. This setup gives you extremely precise entries with tight stops, since it combines liquidity behavior with confirmed volume participation. So, there you have it. The volume surprise by LuxAlgo is essentially your market interest detective. It doesn't just show you that volume is happening, but reveals whether it's unusually high or low for that specific time. The core idea is brilliant in its simplicity. By comparing current volume to the expected historical volume for that same period, be it the same hour, the same day of the week, or even the same quarter, we can instantly spot anomalies. This allows us to gauge true market interest behind a price move. Is that breakout supported by genuine surprise volume, or is it just noise? Quantify the impact of news events. Was that earnings report a true surprise to the market, or did it fall flat? And even forecast potential activity for the next few bars, giving us a slight edge. But here's the really important takeaway. This tool is powered by its settings. Its effectiveness heavily depends on you choosing the right periods and summary method for the asset you're trading. A tool set up for a periodic Forex pair might not work as well for a crypto asset with erratic trading hours. So, my strong recommendation is to experiment with it first. Don't just use it with the default settings. Play with the percentile method to hunt for extremely rare activity, or adjust the grouping periods to match the asset's rhythm. Test it, backtest it, and get a feel for how volume surprises by LuxAlgo play out in your specific market. I'm curious to know, what's the most surprising volume anomaly you've ever seen? Share your stories in the comments below. I'd love to hear them. If this deep dive into volume analysis was helpful, please show some love with a like, subscribe for more content like this, and hit the bell so you don't miss our next investigation. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.